matayo tuke adhula lig maduong' pacho ka FKF ochwalo ng'ur kokwedo chike moketi mabiro tayo yiero mabiro. Kempes nochwalo ng'ur mare e doho mamalo mar Court of Arbitration for Sports ma bende nochwalo tarik 3 dweni mar 9. E romo makende manobagi riwruok matayo tuke adhula tarik 24 dwe mar 8 higani nogolo chike manyien mibiro tigodo mar bago yiero. Kata kamano Kempes manotugo ne tim mar Harambee Stars gi club mar Gor Mahia olero ni chikego ok ginyal tigodo gi sani komedo ni moko kuom chikego biro thiro yiero.
The heights that she aspired to, more than we can imagine.
How long do you have, by the way?
Sammy is what Kenya can never have in terms of he's a technician, then he's an administrator, because I've followed the way he's run his business. He's not coming here in Kenya to look at FIFA money, to look at what money can give him, what football can give him.
The only sensible path forward to normalizing the state of football is institution of normalization committee by FIFA. This path will immunize current election process against actual and possible judicial challenges. These challenges are inevitable in view of current situation of football regarding